Meaning of imaginary number.
Imaginary number.
Imaginary number.
Imaginary number.
Imaginary number. An imaginary number is a complex number that can be written as a real number multiplied by the imaginary unit I, which is defined as the square root of -1. For example, 3i is an imaginary number because it is 3 times the imaginary unit. Imaginary numbers are used to represent quantities that do not have physical meaning, such as the amplitude or phase of a wave. They also have applications in fields like electrical engineering and physics. Despite being called imaginary, these numbers have important practical uses and their properties have been extensively studied.